So now, today I will show you how you can create a wedding invitation in Canva. So if you hire a normal company to do wedding invitation, they will charge you anywhere between 10,000 to 20,000 for a normal invitation along with the cards and other things. But if you take care of that yourself using a designer tool like Canva, you can save money. So let me show you one invitation. So this is something you might have seen in WhatsApp forwards and all, where you see a video where invitation is generated. So let's look at how we can create this in Canva easily. So you have to go to Canva, you have to set up an account here. After you set up an account here, you can come here and you can say wedding invitation. Wedding invitation. So here you will see hundreds of templates for wedding invitation. Now you see here, so some of them may be free, some of them may be premium. Even if it is premium, you can get premium for day. You can get Canva premium for a day. It will be around 67 rupees, I guess. So based on that, you can generate and use any of the templates and use it and download it, and it can cancel your Canva subscription. So these are the various wedding invitation you can see. Some of them are videos, some of them are just invitation card. So let's look at something which is very common. See here, if you see here, so we will look at a couple of templates. So first I'll show you the one that I showed you earlier. So now you see here, after selecting, you say customize the template. Now you see here, so the template has come. Now if you go in here, you can put in the name Mr. Rajesh Singh and Mrs. Geeta Singh, cordially invite to the wedding of their daughter Prerna Singh and Sumit Gupta, son of Apurva Gupta. So if I want, I can come here and change it. So I can come here and change the date also. Let's say I change it to June 19th. This way you'll be able to customize everything. Now if I try to play this, you can see how it is coming up. Now if I want to generate a PDF out of it, I can do that too. So that will be your invitation card. So you say print with Canva here. This is a functionality using which you can get it printed and it will be delivered to you. You see 50 invitations. So 50 invitation is going to cost you around 1020 rupees only, and that is going to come to you. Include envelopes in my order. So envelopes are included. So for 1020 rupees you can get all these things printed and delivered to you in a matte finish or a premium paper, which is a good deal. Now if you want to download it yourself and get it printed, you can do that too. You can download it. See the MP4 video, right? You can download it, but if you want high quality, then you will have to go for a Canva membership, which can be as low as 67 rupees, which is available for a daily Canva subscription. Now this is getting generated. Now if I go and show you the download, you see this icon here. This is asking for upgrade. So when it is asking for upgrade, then I go there and say, see, 12 months is around 4,000, 1 month is 500, 1 week is 199, 1 day is 69 rupees. So this is something which is good about Canva. If you need it for only for a day, even they have that option. So the video that I have generated, it has been downloaded. It will come up like this. Now if you want to explore other templates, you can do that too. I'll show you the other templates. few other templates that is available here. Now let's look at something which is very common. If you want to put the image of the bride and groom, you can put that too. So let's look at one with the bride and groom. Let's look at this. So this is again a custom template. You can customize it. This is a template generated by this person. You can customize it. Now in this one, if you want to change the photo, you can upload a new photo from here and you can change that photo. See if this is how you change the photo. Now if I want to change the contents of this, I can do that too by clicking individual elements. And if I want to add any other text within this apart from the normal text that is there, I can add that too. Let's say you want to add something like presence in blessings only. So you can add that, you can resize it, and you can print it. So if it is a video, you can use that to share it with your friends and relatives in WhatsApp. So if you want to print it, you can get it printed and send it as an invitation. So that way you will be able to generate wedding invitation for very low cost. That is if you use Canva, or you could get it printed without any cost technically. So this way you can do this for wedding, engagement, and various other invitations. So see, some of these are looking very good. As you can see, these are pro level. So if you want pro, you can enable that for a day and use it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.